Hello, Algebra 1. I apologize for my voice again. I wanted to give you a second video for section 5.3. So if you're in my iPad class, you would have downloaded the 5.3 notes and scrolled down to this page. You'll see the number 10 at the top. It's page 146 if you look at the bottom. So we're solving with elimination again. And you'll notice in problem number 10, the x's are lined up and the y's are lined up. And in the previous video, we talked about adding the x's together and adding the y's together and adding the constant numbers together. The problem is here, if I try to do that, I get 3x and 3y, and neither of them will eliminate. So what I need to do is to try to get opposite numbers. So for example, look at the x's. You see how there's a 2 here. What's the opposite of 2? Negative 2. So I really want there to be a negative 2 right here in front of my other x. Well, how can I just do that to an equation? Just magically make negative 2 up here. I can do that by multiplying the entire equation by negative 2. So when you do that, don't forget to distribute everywhere. So negative 2x, negative 4y, equals negative 40. The bottom equation looks fine. It already had a positive 2. And now we have our opposites. When we add the equations together, they will cancel. And now when we add the y's, we get negative 3y equals negative 21. Continue solving. Y equals 7. We're halfway finished. We can take that and plug it in. So now it's just like substitution. 2x plus 7 equals 19. 2x equals 12. X equals 6. So the tricky thing at first is trying to get those opposites. Look at number 11. You can either eliminate the x's or eliminate the y's. Just because we eliminate the x's on the first one, let's try to eliminate these y's. So I need these to be the opposite number. I see a 2 and a 3. 2 and 3 can both go into 6. So let's try to get both of these to be 6 right here. How do I make 2 become a 6? Multiply by 3. How do I make 3 become a 6? Multiply by 2. Now remember, I need opposites. Right now these are both negative. I need one of them to turn into a positive. So just multiply one of these by negative 1. So I'll make the 3 negative and the 2 positive. Now somebody else might have made the 3 positive and the 2 negative. It really doesn't matter which one you choose. Just remember to distribute everything. Negative 9x plus 6y equals negative 6. 8x minus 6y equals negative 8. And our opposites will cancel. Keep solving. Add the equations together. I noticed that the top 2 negatives obviously make a positive, so let me change that. So I get negative 2. When I divide by negative 1, I get x equals 2. Plug it in. I'm just going to use my top equation again. So 3 times 2 minus 2y equals negative 2. I can subtract over the 6. And y equals 4. So my answer is 2, 4. Let's do one more. Let's just do number 13. I look at the x's, 4 and 5. 4 and 5 both go into 20, so we can turn these both into 20s. How do I turn a 4 into 20? Multiply by 5. How do I turn a 5 into 20? Multiply by 4. But I'll get both positive 20s. I don't want that. I want one of them to be negative. So let's just multiply the top one by negative 5. Distribute. distribute on the bottom. Add the equations together. Opposites will cancel. Divide. And y equals 3. I'll just put it in at the top. 3 times 3 is 9. 4x equals 12, so x equals 3. 3, 3. And that's it. Have a good day.